Welcome back again. This tutorial I am going to show you WhatsApp messages not sending or receiving problem. You can easily solve it by following this step. So let's jump right in. First of all, go to settings. Once you are in the phone main settings, scroll down to the very bottom, located the apps or application or similar name, tap to open it. After this page, use the search bar at the very top. Here you can simply type WhatsApp. After you found the exact name, simply tap on their name to open the app info page. Then scroll down again, located the storage option, click to open it. At the very bottom, you can see two options, but you can this time select only clear cache, not be tap on clear data. After the clear cache is complete, back to the previous page, then scroll again to the top, go to permission and make sure to your SMS option is currently set to allow. If you don't allow, first of all allow it. After it done, simply close the app. After that, restart your phone. To do that, long press the power and volume down button on your device and wait a few seconds. From the pop-up menu, select restart, then tap on restart again and wait to complete the restart process and back on your phone. After that, open the Play Store app. Then use the search bar at the very top or bottom, type WhatsApp. After you found the app, simply tap on it, the name to open the next page. If you see any update button, this means your WhatsApp update is available. So make sure to update the WhatsApp button latest version. However, keep in mind, if you don't see the update button, you can see only open button. This means your WhatsApp app is already up to date. So this time simply open the app and log into your account. After that, you can try to send any text message if you any another friend or other contact. This time it work. For example, I am type anything, then send it. And right now my messages is successfully sent it. Also received too. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also subscribe to my channel.